Let's take a look at this very simple problem dealing with a sales budget. Okay, we have the Steen Manufacturing Company in front of us. Quarterly and annual sales for 2008 for the company follow. Prepare a sales budget for 2009 for the company. Show both quarterly and annual totals for each product class. Okay, now I want you to recognize that on this problem, this is much more of a sales forecast at what I'd call 100,000 foot. We're not getting into the details of how many units of each marine product and each mountain product we're going to sell. Instead, we're sort of taking a summary view and just saying we think marine products will increase by 10% and mountain products by 5% and so on. But this is the information that's provided, and given that the way we're doing this is just with a percentage increase, then all we really have to do is multiply those sales amounts by the percentage. Okay, let me jump over to a new sheet, and I've copied that data on the top. Okay, now there's that same data as well, and then we'll just put it together, which I've done ahead of time just to save time in the demo. So that would be our statement for 2009, and then we would jot down various titles, right, January and February, and we'd put down the product class, right, January through March, so it's quarterly information, April through June, and we'd list the various products that we have. Okay, and then in each one of these cells, what we would do is multiply either the cell from above times the 10%. Now you could do that in a variety of ways, right? I mean, you could simply go equal that times and then left paren 1 plus the 10%, right? You could do it that way to come up with the 48,950. And there's lots of other ways as well in Excel. Now I'm going to put it back to how it was, where it simply was keyed in as the dollar amount times 1.1. And we do that in every cell. So I can just highlight a couple cells to show you that in every cell we're taking the amount from above in the same position times 1.05. In this case would be 105% because we're dealing with mountain products, right, which had a 5% increase. So if I highlight all of those and let you see the increase, and then we sum across, right, we're able to compute the total by product, add one more down at the bottom, and we should be able to have the total entirely. And I'm not sure if I even had the word total. No, it's not even written. But that's the answer to this problem. So this one's pretty straightforward. Thanks, everyone.